Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It is another week and I'm back at Aldi. I'm here to get my week of groceries. I also went to Meijer earlier today, but you will see that after the Aldi haul. Between the two, you'll see my groceries for the week, and don't forget, I will share my meal plan at the end, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. I don't know why, but when I walked by these, I felt compelled to buy them. I love them. I don't buy them very frequently because no one else in my family will eat these, but they were calling to me, and I'm answering the call today. $1.99, yummy. I was tempted to buy this, but I don't want this week. Today's the day. My freezer's still pretty full, so I'm gonna pass. Oh no, my husband asked me to get white bread, and they don't have any white normal bread here. So, even if I look at that stack, there is none. So I'm gonna get this, and he'll feel fancy this week, $2.15. We are making ramen bowls this week. I already have ramen, but I'm getting green onion and cilantro to chop up and put on top. 65 cents for the cilantro, and I don't know how much the green onion is. It's usually around 85 cents. I think Aldi has really good chopped salads, and I thought this would be good to go with the ramen bowls. Even though we're putting vegetables on top, I still think this would be good on the side at $2.99. We were running low on apples, so I'm gonna get these 2 pounds for $2.69 for Honeycrisp is pretty good. So I'll grab a bag of these. I am getting carrots just to chop up and eat, and for the ramen bowls, $1.49. I need eggs. I'm getting 2 dozen, $2.67. It's time to make the dog food again, and that always takes a dozen from me. Okay, I need whole milk because I'm going to be making elephant ears this week. One of my favorite things to make in the summer, $1.53. And then I need 2% milk, $2.56, our standard. We are having people come swim later this week again, so I'm getting some raspberry lemonade at $1.99. My kids love this stuff. I need tub butter. We're running very low on that, $3.69. And stick butter, $3.59. We are making KFC bowls this week, so I need sweet corn, 63 cents. I'm getting 3 cans of black beans, 1 for my vegetarian and 2 for my dog. I'm running low, 81 cents a piece. Has anyone else ever noticed that the jalapenos from Aldi are so much spicier and better than like if I get them from Walmart or Meijer? I love these jalapenos. They're only 85 cents. I need these for ramen toppers. And then also I'm going to get mini sweet peppers just to munch on. It's been a while since I bought these, but I like to get the color variety. They're only $2.85. I am getting these. I think we have plenty at home, but just in case, we use a lot of pickles for chicken shawarmas, and we're having them 2 nights, so $2.35 to make sure we have enough. We are having chicken shawarmas 2 nights for dinner, and instead of using pitas, I like to make mine in a bowl, and I want pita chips, $2.79. Some really cute birthday cards here. I'm gonna get this one. My friend, or my daughter, has her friend's birthday party that she can't go to, but she's still giving her a gift. And I think this is super cute, only 99 cents, but there's a lot of really cute ones here. They have so many cute planners. I love Aldi planners. They're only $5. And then they have this perpetual calendar, and it's Think Happy Thoughts. I actually think that's super cute. I like the idea of having this in my office, but I already have one with Bible verses, so I don't think I really need to, but that is so cute. That'd be a good gift for someone too. Only $5. Oh wait, they also have one that's Year of Positivity. Let's see what kind of positivity they say. Keep moving forward. Small steps every day. 50 cards for $5. Those are cute. Lots of fun items here. Different blankets, sheet sets, round wall storage. I wish I was this organized. It would look horrible if I put those on my walls. I'm not organized. Aldi bras have never let me down. I've always liked those. They have boxer briefs, socks, lots of random things. Love the jasmine long grain rice, and I have this on hand, but I'm making a yellow rice that I don't generally make, and to go with shawarmas. My daughter, it was her special request. Oh, these look really yummy. Mediterranean mix, olives, $3.49. I think someone stuck that there. But they have these different seasonings with tzatziki. I don't even know what that is. Euros, lemon herb, $1.99. Seems like a pretty good find. I wanted peanut oil, but they don't have peanut oil here. And they didn't have it at Meijer either to fry our stuff in. So I'm gonna get vegetable oil, and that's $3.75. These are new, I've never seen these. So it's sparkling water. They have blue raspberry, black raspberry, and strawberry citrus. It does not say they're new, and it doesn't say limited time, but I think my husband would like those. He doesn't drink coffee. I think I might get this one for him to try. $1.19 a can. I'm gonna get 2 of my unflavored waters, 89 cents a piece. Okay, we're in the frozen Aldi finds. They have a lot of the same things. Popsicles, Klondike bars, strawberry vanilla cones. They have Sara Lee pies. They have the half-baked Ben & Jerry's. Not seeing anything new until toffee gelato bites. I haven't seen these. They are $3.99. They feel very light. Interesting. They do not look appealing to me. Frozen dairy dessert enrobed in chocolate coating and a cookie dough center. I'll pass. They still have the Pez and the Minions and the sorbet. They have shrimp tacos or fajita kits. Nashville hot stuffed shrimp, okay. Jalapeno chicken bacon ranch pizzas are $6. They have a ton of them. Also Sloppy Joe inspired pizza, $4.99. And Greek style pizza, $4.99. If you want to eat pizza that doesn't taste like pizza, Aldi has you this week. Some Greek finds. Roast beef and cheddar sandwiches, $4.99. Haven't seen those before. The veal patties. You guys remember when I didn't know veal was baby cow? Here's the nuggets that I tried recording last week and it didn't work well. There's still a lot of them. My son, in true 7-year-old boy fashion, said he wouldn't eat that because it looks like a private. You guys know I love red sticker chicken, but that looks too bubbly for me to even go near. Plus it's only 30%. I'll pass. I was wanting thin cut chicken. There's no good prices. Let's see. I'm making homemade popcorn chicken. And I don't think I need a ton of it. $3.99 a pound. Let's get... I'll get this. No, I'm trying to find the cleanest looking. I'll get this. $3.99 a pound, $5.07. It's thin, and I will chop it into popcorn chicken size pieces. I need 2 things of hummus for chicken shawarmas, and we always like the roasted pine nut, $2.49 each. I saw a poll, someone was asking for your favorite Aldi items, and this was the first thing that came to my mind. I love this so much. I'm going to take a poll and ask you guys what your favorite one is sometime and make a video with all your favorites. I'm bummed. I wanted their really thick cut cheddar, but they don't have it. I don't know if they got rid of it, if they haven't had it for a while, but for some reason that sounded good to me with the KFC bowls. But I guess maybe I'll just get a block and I'll shred it myself. And I can make it thick. $1.75. Oh my lord, I love baklava so much. I have to get this. They have a baklava treat. Also looks like maybe a bird's nest in there. $6.45. I don't care if no one else in my family wants this. I will eat it all. Nuts, honey, cashew, walnuts, phyllo dough, yummy. $6.45. I thought this looked pretty cool too. We haven't ever bought it, but 22 slices for $3.29. For grilling, you get a couple different varieties, and it's all there. Well, we hit the point in the summer where we ran out of all the frozen things that I've been accumulating. So I need to get bagel pizza, $6.65. I'm getting 2 things of waffles because my kids will keep eating these, $1.99 each. And then I was asked to get French toast sticks. Those are $2.99. I'll get a box of those. For chicken shawarmas, we need seasoned fries. I'm going to get 2 bags. We probably won't need 2, but I don't want to run out. $2.49 each. I'm tempted. I feel like my one daughter would like these, but my other 2 wouldn't, but they'd be jealous if I got it for her and not. I don't know if there's actually bursting bubbles in here. $2.49. Probably not worth trying a single drink. I bought these in the past. I think I mentioned that recently. They're still tempting, but I'm gonna pass on them. If you're, a giant kid like me, you could get a fart blaster. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay, here is my cart. Any guess on the total? I'm also going to Meijer and using a lot of things on hand. Okay, my total is $88.53.
Please select payment.
I couldn't wait until I get home. I know this isn't typical, but I broke into these as soon as I got in the car. That's how excited I was. I tried them. They are very good. I am happy with the purchase for the value. It's not as good as the baklava I get at a Lebanese restaurant locally, but it's pretty good. And for the value, I definitely am pleased. You can see the sweetness really settled. Whatever they're soaking the dough in really settled at the bottom, so it's much sweeter at the bottom. It's not as even as some baklava you get, but still, I would buy this again, and I'm pleased with it. Okay, I just went to a local Lebanese restaurant called Shawarma King. I got 2 packs of pita. We're making shawarmas at home, and it was $7 for these. One of my favorite parts about Meijer is all their fresh herbs. I'm getting 2 bunches of parsley for 99 cents each and a bunch of mint for $1.99. And I use this to make tabbouleh. So fresh and nice. This is the parsley and there's the mint. I just need a single lemon and it's 65 cents. This guy looks pretty good. I like that one better. The chicken shawarma meal uses a lot of garlic, so I'm going to get 3 bulbs. We are running low again. And while I'm at Meijer, I do like to get the Meijer stuff. We've talked about that before, and they have a lot more to choose from this time. So here's my 3 garlic bulbs. This is not on my list to get from here, but Aldi doesn't sell a variety of onions, and I'm actually low on onions, and this is $3.99 for 3 pounds of onions, and I get a variety, so I'll get one of these. My kids asked for these cucumbers specifically instead of the minis, and they're on sale at Meijer's. They're 99 cents a piece on sale, so I'm gonna get a few of them. I use it in tabbouleh, and then they just like to munch on them. I'll get 3 of them. I see that this is on sale, Smithfield thick cut bacon. I'm gonna get 2 of them for my freezer. Okay, so my husband loves chocolate Nesquik, and I'm gonna get him this. It's $6.19. So he asked me to get that, but then I saw this hot fudge sundae, $1.85 on clearance. I'm gonna get him this one as well. We'll see if he likes it. My husband is probably pickier than some of my kids, and he also really loves some things that you would think I'm buying for the kids. I make a giant batch of shawarma seasoning, and then it's really simple to make them, but I'm out of it. So I'm gonna get cinnamon, it's $2.15. Cloves is $3.15. Nutmeg is $3.99. Allspice is $2.29. This is the real kick ya. The cardamom is expensive and I use a lot of it. So this is $9.99. And it's the only brand that sells it. So I don't really get much. Oh, wait, no, wait, take it back, I take it back. Woohoo! I get to save $1.10 because Spice Islands has ground cardamom. Okay, this is the real gotcha. I have to get 2 of these because it's 2 of these to 1 parts other spices. I also realized I need to get 2 of my allspice as I was checking how much. And it also needs 2 parts chili powder, but I can get a bigger one of those for $3.49. And black pepper for $2.29. Actually, no, I'll get this one at $4.39 and then I'll have some left over. Okay, I'm actually doing my Meijer shopping before Aldi because of timing, and normally I'd buy Aldi brand chips, but my daughter has a friend coming over before I go to Aldi later. So I'm getting these. Apparently these are her friend's favorite and she wants them out by the pool. Since they're 2 for $5, I'm gonna get jalapeno and salt and pepper. So we'll have these out at the pool before I do my Aldi shopping. I don't really like doing Aldi shopping after Meijer because anything I can't get at Aldi I can usually pick up at Meijer, so wish me luck. But this is the last of my haul here. It's gonna be kind of a big one with all the spices. Any guesses on this total? Also, I'm not buying this right now, which is an act of willpower, but this is so good. I bought this recently, so yummy. Highly recommend. Okay, this is just the spices, which is a little sad, but it will last us for so long and so many shawarma meals. It's worth it. Okay, my total was $74.58. Okay, tonight we're gonna have KFC bowls. We have 2 kids staying the night. I'm making the homemade popcorn chicken, but I feel like that's pretty kid friendly. Everyone can make it how they like it. That's mashed potatoes, popcorn chicken, shredded cheese, corn, and brown gravy. Tomorrow we're gonna have chicken shawarmas. I make this with tabbouleh, rice, we have hummus, pickles, I make the chicken, lots of steps, and because of what's involved, we always have it 2 nights for dinner, so this is just shawarmas again. Wednesday, we are going to Dave & Buster's, and we always go on a Wednesday because all the games are half off, but we got a gift card for Christmas from my dad, so we've been saving that gift card to go this summer, and we're looking forward to that. Also, it's half off food if you're a member of their rewards club, so definitely a good time to go on Wednesday. Friday, we are going to a pizza place called Martini's. My older daughter is going to camp for 2 weeks, and because of that, we are just having like a little last hurrah almost. That's one of her favorite places to go out to eat, and we just thought it'd be fun to do that before she leaves. Saturday, we are having ramen. We bought ramen at Pacific Rim. It's an Asian grocery store. It's better than like a top ramen. The quality is better, and we'll just have a bunch of toppers for that, including shredded chicken that I have in the freezer. And then also chicken and dumplings on Sunday. I have everything on hand for that. If you want to know any of the recipes we're using, you can check the description below. And if you want to see me making chicken shawarma and all that goes along with it, minus the rice because that's a new addition, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.